Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RideThe6 Rebuild FZ6R. This is going to be episode 11. I haven't done a video in a couple weeks, one of two reasons. Reason one being I was away for 2 weeks on a vacation. So I was in Nova Scotia. We drove down, drove back. Picked me up a new East Coast Lifestyle t-shirt. Nice clothing. You may have heard of the line. I'm not advertising for them or anything, but yeah, they're different. It's cool. So big news, guys. So I actually ended up winning an FZ6R from a Copart auction in the U.S. That's part of the other reason. That's kind of reason two why I haven't done a video in a couple weeks. So I drove back from Nova Scotia, about 18 hours. I had 1 day rest and right to Pittsburgh the next day to pick up an auction FZ6R. Mainly for the nose cowl. This is a theft recovery motorcycle, but the fairing, especially the nose cowl, look really good shape. All the fairings are with the bike and stuff as well. So stay tuned, guys. Check it out. We got the live video footage for you of us picking up the motorcycle in Pittsburgh. What's going on, guys? We are filming on the road today. We are in Pittsburgh. We are at the Copart facility, and we're picking up another FZ6R to steal some parts off it, probably part it out. So yeah, we're just waiting for the bike to come out. We started driving at 1:30 this morning. It's now 8:30, 7 hours to get from Toronto to Pittsburgh. Got Les in the background here again. We're at it again. Stay tuned. There's the white FZ6R, guys. Parts bike. Oh, this guy's in the way here now. It's probably fucking filthy, man. Like, probably filthy.
Actually, we're just looking up and getting out of here. Stop somewhere.
These roads around Pittsburgh, it's fucking chaos. Oh, come on, man. There's other fucking people waiting too. This guy's losing his mind because he had to wait a couple minutes for a car. Who knows what's going on? He's losing his mind over here.
God bless America.
Yeah, now you're holding us up. You might have to spin it. Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Are you able to spin it around? Yeah, looks in good shape, man.
Yeah, it's good.
It's dirty, but it looks in good shape. The nose piece ain't broken.
Right, isn't it? Come this way. Tell me when.
Forward. Okay, down.
Right there.
Tell him down.
Down?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it on this side. Got it?
Thanks, brother. Thanks a lot, eh?
Roll it back.
Oh, the nose cal is perfect.
Roll it back.
She's dirty.
Okay. Bring the accent. No, you gotta take that front end over.
Let me see. Let's take her back again.
Yes, that.
Okay.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
No, that's good. Right into the corner.
Alright.
Oh. Nope, too far, too far.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the fucking... Her kickstand is not there. That's why she's leaning so far.
Yeah.
Are we back here? Alright guys, so that'll be a wrap on this episode. I want to keep it short. I am picking up the bike on Wednesday in the US. There is some paperwork and stuff you have to do. You cannot just go down there and buy an auction motorcycle, drive it to the border, and expect to get it across. You have to file paperwork 72 hours in advance with US Customs. Then you have to go on the Canadian Customs website, actually Registry of Imported Vehicles or something, RIV. You have to declare that you're bringing that across and the value and everything. So yeah, the paperwork's done. It's all been submitted. And Wednesday we're picking her up. So stay tuned. You're going to see her in the shop here real soon. I'm going to have two FZ6Rs in the shop. One is mainly a parts bike. It is a salvage title. And yeah, I'll be taking the parts I need, and everything else will be parted out. So if you guys need parts for an FZ6R, this is a 2009 that I'm bringing in. It's white. I'm going to take the nose cal, probably the gas tank, but anything else on the bike, I mean, hit me up, shoot me a message. It could be available. Some people have already spoken for some parts, but yeah, like I'll probably have to ship them because a lot of this stuff could probably go back to the States again. But yeah, stay tuned, guys.